So today's tutorial is on the topic of SETOOLKIT, or you can say the Social Engineering Toolkit, which is used for many purposes like the harvesting and credential harvesting, etc. So today I will show you a simple use of Social Engineering Toolkit for hacking and penetration testing. So just let's begin with the topic straight away. So here just fire up your Kali machine and then log in. Just logging in. So this is my Kali machine has booted up, as you can see that. So now we shall open up a terminal here. So to begin with the SETOOLKIT, just open up a terminal and then write just it will be better if you give your computer, means your attacker machine, to access the sudo su so that you can access the root directory. So just now sudo su for the root directory and then clear. Then just open up Social Engineering Toolkit by the command SETOOLKIT. Okay, then press enter. So as you can see here, you have got up with a pop-up of the terms and conditions of the tool. So simply press yes and then begin. See, it has been loaded up, and now we shall begin. We shall just see the set configuration, and update the Social Engineering Toolkit if it is needed. So just begin with the update. So press 4. Here you can see that the update the Social Engineering Toolkit. If it is needed, let's just take and check it. So 4 and enter. So it's already updated, and let's just now check the set configuration. So for that, press 5 and enter. So it is also been upgraded. It has not been an issue. So now just go on a simple attack and see how it actually works. So just press 1 and then enter. See, here you can get a list of attacks: the spear phishing attack vectors, website attack vectors, infectious malicious generator, media generator, create a payload and listener, mass mailer attack, Arduino based vector attack, wireless attack, etc. So here the one thing you can notice that in the number 4, create a payload and listener. So what is this? The set doesn't create any payload and listener. It uses the Metasploit console, which is the MSF console by which the payload has been the MSF Venom, by which the payload has already been created, and then the listener has to be created by using the MSF console. So that is another topic. So I will show you it in another tutorial video. So let's just leave it upon and start with the rest. So I'm showing a simple attack like the spear phishing attack vectors. So press 1 and then okay. Then you can see the set phishing here. Okay. Then just go to perform a mass mailer attack, or create a file format payload, or create a social engineering template payload, social engineering template. So here are some of the spear phishing attack you can perform, but we don't want to risk or issue any vulnerabilities to issue any illegal activities to us. So just go back to the main menu and then go to the website attack vectors. Okay, at the number 2, then press enter. So you can see at the number 3, credential harvester attack method. So what is this? The credential harvester attack method is a phishing attack. So here you can use a website cloned page of a website to manipulate your victim and then gather their username and password by sending the malicious link to them and making them log in your site, which actually looks like the actual site, but it is not an actual site. It is just a site which is running from your own machine, the attacker machine. So here you will perform like this. I will show you the method. Here you can perform it like this. So just go to the credential harvester attack and press 3 and enter. So here you got three options: web templates, site cloner, custom import. So here mainly I will show you how to do it. You can use any of the three options, but I will do it in a simpler way so that you can it is easy to be understand by you. So let's just begin with the web templates. Okay. One. So what's your IP address here? So go to File, New tab, and then just simply type the command ifconfig. Okay. Then press enter. As you can see here, it has been shown that your IP address is 192.168.0.113. It is my IP address. Okay, it may vary in your machine, so always check and then enter. So just enter 192.168.0.113. Okay, so now press enter. So it is the link for where the payload will be listening. Means the phishing attack will be listening to you. Okay, so now you can use the I assume that I am using the Google, so the template Google, Java required Google, Twitter, etc. Is the example of templates provided or included in the SETOOLKIT directory. So I use the Google, so I am writing 2 and then press enter. So as you can see, the attack has been started in the port 80. Okay, and the Social Engineering Toolkit credential harvester attack has been started. So just now open a browser. Just open a browser, web browser. So now just put your IP address. Literally, generally we mask our IP address so that it doesn't come with any suspicion to the victim, so he or she can just be manipulated easily. So for tutorial purposes, I am showing you in a simple way so that you can understand. So just go to this IP address and then see the Google email and password page has been opened. Okay, see, the link is this and the sign in has been opened. The Gmail sign in has been opened. If I put here Rishiraj Goswami 111 @gmail.com. Okay, and then I put the password criteria Rishiraj 123. So when you click on the sign in, when the victim clicks on the sign in, see, the connection failed. But when you come back to your terminal, here you can see that the possible username field found, and here you can see my email as I've entered Rishiraj Goswami 111 @gmail.com and the password Rishiraj 123. So it has generated your report. So it has been ended. So it is simply like that. So here you can also use the site cloner attack like this one too, and here you can put your IP address 168 8.0.113. Always remember to confirm your IP address by the command ifconfig and then put your IP address, because a small mistake can cause you may fall at risk. So don't bother about it, just check your IP address once. So now enter the URL to clone. So for cloning the web page of the URL, like I'm entering the instagram.com. Okay, so let's just check the login page of Instagram. So instagram.com, sorry, has been opened. Google.com, so it's been not opening. So let's just do it here. It's the browser in Kali Linux is facing some issue. I don't know why. I have to verify that. So let's just leave it here and continue it here. Oh, the internet has been logged out. Sorry. Not an issue. I will refresh it now. Just a minute. Yeah. Has been logged in. And now you can get it here only. As you can see, it has been loaded up, and then Instagram login. Always remember to copy and clone the login page, not the Instagram page. Okay, the login page here, the login page. So just copy account.login and copy it here. So and paste it here. Paste clipboard. As you can see, it has been pasted, and then the harvester attack has been started. Okay. So after this, you can just put your IP address here, same process, 113, and then okay, some steps. Oh, actually, you have to clear the cache of the harvester attack. So you can also do this like this, the site cloner with the site cloner. So it's not a problem, it's not an issue, but I will come up with a video with the site cloner too. But here you can do it like this. So let's just end the tutorial here for today. So this is how you use, the hackers use SETOOLKIT. Here you can see the SETOOLKIT, the Social Engineering Toolkit for the hacking of different vectors like phishing vector, access point vector, wireless attack vector, QR code attack vector, PowerShell attack vectors, etc. So thank you for watching my video. For today, it's only this much, and stay tuned, because in the next topic I'm going to explain the Metasploit video, and don't miss it, because you don't want to miss it. It will show how to hack a Android smartphone with just Metasploit by MSF Venom and MSF Console. Okay, thank you guys for watching.